Hello friends, so I hope all are doing very well. So let's say this is the view of the Air Force headquarters, which is located in Delhi, just in front of the and opposite of the Rashtrapati Bhavan President House. So let's see the view. So I'm going to explain about the Air Force Academy and headquarters in New Delhi. So stay with me and get the lots of information regarding the Air Force headquarters. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
So Vayu Bhavan, which is the headquarters of the Indian Air Force, which is located in New Delhi Rajpath Road area nearby Udyog Bhavan metro station, which is just opposite and in front of the Rashtrapati Bhavan President House. So Indian Air Force has 7 commanders like the Western Air Command, Eastern Command, Central Air Command, Southwestern Air Command, Southern Air Command, Training Command and the Maintenance Command. So the founder of Indian Air Force, which is the Indian Air Force Act of 1932, which was established as an auxiliary force of the Royal Air Force RAF. The first squadron of the IAF was commissioned on April 1st in 1933. Air Marshal Subrato Mukherjee was the first Indian Chief of Air Staff, taking over the role on April 1st in 1954, who was also the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of C of IAF. The first 5 pilots were commissioned into the IAF were Harish Chandra Sikar, Subrato Mukherjee, Bhupendra Singh, Azad Baksh Awan and Amarjit Singh. Marshal Amarpreet Singh is the current Chief of IAF, which is after the Marshal Chief Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Air Force Day we are celebrating on October 8 every year. GRD Ratan Tata was the first pilot and also the first person to receive a commercial pilot license in India in 1929. In 1931, he became the first person to also fly from Mumbai to Karachi. He flied. So GRD is also known as the father of the Indian aviation, who became a famous entrepreneur and aviation pioneer in India.